Hi. The first, we must make sure your pipe is 2.25 out diameters. Let me check. First, let me check the out diameter of your pipe is 2.25 inches. Okay? Then we can see this clamp have a 2.25 inch seams on this clamp. Okay? Then we loose the nuts. And put this clamp on this 2.25 inches pipe. Put on the nuts and tight them. And we can use this adjustable wrench to tie this nut. Okay, if you think it can't tight enough, you can tight this nut until it can't move anymore. Okay, now you can see this clamp meets this pipe very well and can't move again. So you said this clamp can't fit your pipe. I think there are two issues. One, the clamp you receive not the 2.25 inches. Two, your pipe, the outer diameter of your pipe is not 2.25. It may be more small than 2.25 inches. So you can to check. Thanks.